as part of a larger set of achievements in the form of becoming the first province to offer health insurance to each of their citizens, regardless of where they live in the country. We have 40 million residents of Pakhtunkhwa insured with a package of almost 1 million rupees a year, right, that they can access in public and private hospitals across the country, including this hospital, which is one of the leading private hospitals, not just in the province but in the country. And it gives me a lot of pride and satisfaction as part of Chief Minister Mehmood Khan's government that, in line with the Prime Minister's vision, that this is somewhere where we've made the impossible possible in a short space of time. And why is this important on the occasion of the World Kidney Day? Because I was just looking at the data to the end of February, from the start of December. And one of the two most frequented set of procedures across the province, in fact, over 10,800 people out of almost 70,000 recipients of help from the Sehat card between November 1 and the 28th of February have availed dialysis services across the provinces. It is the second most utilized service, right? And just as Dr. Taki explained, that means that we managed to ease the pain for over 10,000 people in a short space of time, in this hospital, in other hospitals in Peshawar, in other hospitals in the province, to some extent across the country. And this is only with the program just beginning. And that is the vision of the Prime Minister, to ease the pain and suffering, or to make life better for those who can't afford it. So not only is this enabling more people to access dialysis services, I also want to state on the record that as far as kidney transplants are covered, right, they're not only fully covered today, right, they are covered beyond the limit of 10 lakhs. So if it takes 14 or 15 lakhs, as long as the procedure is available in a said hospital, it is fully covered. And on top of that, the government of Pakhtunkhwa also, in terms of follow-up for kidney transplant patients, cover the cost of medicine at the Institute of Kidney Diseases. So whereas we may not be able to reach out to everyone, we can proudly say that this government is trying to go the extra mile to help everyone that it can, and we hope that this hospital, along with other hospitals, will actually scale up the level of services that it can actually provide. We're going to work together to try and scale up the volume of kidney transplants that can occur in the province. But as far as dialysis services are concerned, we believe that the increase in utilization across different services, including dialysis, is more than 5 times versus before the expansion of the insurance program. So think, because of a little bit of forward thinking, a little bit of bold thinking, because of the leadership that I must give credit again and again to the Chief Minister to, right, we are at a point where, for one of the most painful diseases that one can have, we have been able to, across the public and private sector, treat more than 5 times the volume of patients that we were doing before the expansion of the program. Inshallah, we will do more. We will do more in this field of renal treatment. We will also do it, inshallah, by the budget, by including liver transplants and other critical diseases where, at a minimum, for those with financial difficulty, we will try and incorporate the full cost of that treatment. Right? And so we hope in the end that on this occasion of the World Kidney Day, we are able to not only send the message that this province cares and that this government cares, right, but we hope that we can actually set the standard for the rest of Pakistan in terms of treatment and in terms of creating systems that can actually reduce the burden of disease for millions of people. Thank you very much, Pakistan.